Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this super quick and easy hairstyle using clip-in extensions. Let's get started. I want to send a thank you to Amazing Beauty for sending these to me for my personal review. These are the Afro Kinky Coily and they're in 18 inches. I'm just going to comb out my hair with this wide tooth comb right here. Make sure there's no tangles or snags. And then I'm going to use the ORS pudding and I'm going to use that to smooth my hair down into a ponytail. Because I'm not going to add the extensions within my hair. I'm just going to clip them on top of my hair. If you're going to use them within your hair, one box will be enough. But if you're going to do like what I'm doing in this video, which is just clipping them on top of my hair, then I would suggest 2 boxes for volume. You can easily braid your hair if you don't want to put it in a ponytail. You can also like cornrow your hair down or twist it down and clip them on top of your braids or your twists. So once I brush my hair out really good, I'm going to go ahead and to secure it into a ponytail at the base of my neck. And since my hair is kind of short, I don't really have to do anything else but just kind of tuck the ends in a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and unbox the first box. It comes with the extensions, clips, a wide tooth comb, and some extra clips. It also comes with a little instruction pamphlet. And inside it tells you how to take care of the hair and it also tells you how to measure it. These are the Afro Kinky Coily and they're in 18 inches. I decided to get the Kinky Coily instead of the Kinky Curly because the coily seems like it has just a little more frizz. And I know that's crazy to want to get the ones with a little more frizz, but to me that makes it look more realistic. You can kind of see the frizz at the bottom. And I love how it looks very realistic, how Afro texture hair would actually look. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the band off of it. And make sure that this matches or this is the hair that you want before you cut the band off, because once you cut the band off, you cannot return these. So I'm just going to separate the pieces one by one, just showing you what they look like and how many come in the pack. There are 7 clips that actually come in the pack and I'm showing each and every one to you right now. And this is what they all look like right here. So the rest of the video is pretty self-explanatory. I'm basically just going to clip these clips up until I get to the front of my hair, and I'm actually going to put a headband on. So this is an alternative if you don't have a headband wig, because I know those are very popular right now. If you do have clip-ins, you can still get the exact same look. All you basically have to do is just clip the clip-ons onto your hair until you get the desired volume that you want, and then put your headband on in the front of your hair. So make sure you guys check the description box for the link to these clip-ins as well as the website, and also for the coupon code if you'd like to purchase these or any other clips that they may have on their website. Make sure to thumbs this video up if it's helpful, and if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know.